Hello and welcome to Inkscape for Teachers. Just a short tutorial to show how to apply a gradient fill to an object. So I'll show you that now. Let's just create a simple rectangle, and to give it a gradient fill we open up the Fill and Stroke menu, Control-Shift-F. This dialog box here will appear, and one of these two icons here, this is a linear gradient, this is a radial one. Linear gradient I'll show you. If you click on that, it applies, I think, the last colour that you were using. So it doesn't really matter because you can change them. The little square here is the start colour, the little circle is the end colour. If you click on the start colour, it comes up in the fill colour there. You can select it from your palette, or you can manipulate it up here to a different colour, whatever you like. Let's say I wanted to go from red to blue. I'd select red, and then I select the end colour and pick a blue, and there's the gradient. You can manipulate those to go vertical, or whichever direction you want, diagonal, one corner to another. You can have it start only over here, the blending, and up to the first point be solid, or you can go beyond that. If you don't want too much of the red, you can drag it that way. So you can have quite a bit of control. Whoops, escape. Sorry, Control Z, I've actually drawn a rectangle. If you want the gradient tool back, just press G after selecting the object. So I'll select the object, press G, and there it is, and I can drag that to where I want it. Now if you want to put another colour stop, these are called colour stops, that starts with the start one and ends with the end one. They come automatically, of course, but you just, with G, the gradient tool selected, double click on that line, it puts a little diamond, it's highlighted in blue. So I could put a colour stop of yellow there, for example, or green, whatever. Let's make it an orange perhaps. And again, that can be dragged as well, back that way, and so on. Just put one more in. Let's make that yellow, and you can build up quite a spectrum of colours. Now, the radial one is similar. If I click on that, it's showing an interesting radial gradient. If I press G to bring up the gradient tool, here are the stops involved, and if I click, say, that one there, change it to green, then click on this one here, you'll see that it's already also green, it matches up. If I change it to light blue, it changes both of them. So you only really have to pick on one, but you can change the arm, how much it goes for, and the angle of rotation using that method. So there you go. There's a simple, quick tutorial on the gradient tool. Thanks for watching.